to go on and see if my bag is just going to come out here, or if I have to go see a security officer to use this little ticket thing that they gave me to receive my bag. So let's wait and find out. The red light started and stopped, and I don't see my bag over there, so I must have to wait and go see someone to get my bag. I just got my bag back. I had to go to a special counter. Doesn't look like anything while they move this. They have all these extra stickers and stuff on it. Let's check to see if they opened anything up. Looks like all the tape is secure. I'll check it out more when I get home. Okay, I made it home. Now let's see if everything is safe and secure. At the airport, I was able to look real quick. Didn't look like they touched anything, but here are my dirty clothes and some more of my dirty clothes. And my flashlight and holster from ywbdholsters.com. And here we go. Nope, tape's all good. They didn't try and open it. That sticker that they had to stick on there, so they didn't touch anything. So flying with the firearm is nice and easy. Get you a good case, you announce it, they give you the paperwork to stick on there, make sure to tape it up, get you a little cheesy lock, and that's it. So made it home. No issues flying with a gun and knives and multi-tool, so we're all set. Shalom.